Wait, don't just listen. Feel this. Out of billions of signals moving through the digital world, why did this one reach you? Not just your screen, but your heart. This isn't random scrolling. This is precision, because lately, you felt stuck in a loop, haven't you? Samey thoughts, samey doubts, same question, playing on repeat. What am I supposed to do next? You were asking for a map, but today, Allah didn't send you a map. He sent you a compass. Because a map shows you roads, but a compass connects you to direction. Allah says, so wherever you turn, there is the face of Allah. Not sometimes, not in specific places, wherever, in the noise of your day, in the silence you avoid, in the moments you feel like you are falling apart. He is there. You were searching for a location to find Allah, but this ayah is telling you, you were never outside His presence to begin with. You've been afraid of making the wrong choice, like one step could ruin everything. But think about this. How can you lose direction when the one who created direction itself is guiding you in real time? This moment right now is not information. It's realignment, like something inside you quietly shifting back into place. And that feeling in your chest, that calm mixed with something deeper, that's what guidance feels like. Not loud, not dramatic, but undeniable. Listen carefully. Nothing in your life is random, not even the delays. They weren't rejections, they were redirections. What felt like a setback was actually protection in disguise. You thought you were stuck, but you were being slowed down on purpose, because not every door you wanted was safe for you to walk through. You are not behind in life. You're being aligned with something you can't see yet. And when it finally makes sense, you'll realize the timing wasn't late. It was precise. So take a breath. You don't need to control everything anymore. You don't need the full picture to trust the one who wrote it. Just turn your heart toward Him. That's it. Because the moment you do, direction finds you. Not the whole path, just the next step. And that's all you were ever meant to see. Right now, say it quietly. Ya Allah, I trust where you are taking me. If this reached you, it wasn't just for you. Someone else is still lost in that same loop you just stepped out of. Send this to them, because sometimes you are the sign Allah sends to someone else. If you believe this was a sign, comment, Ya Allah, I trust your direction. Stay blessed always.